Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Kayla Niara. If you are new, thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, stay connected, watch my old videos, and yeah, follow me on Instagram. So today's video is really just, I got these curly clip-ins from Amazon. I wanted to try them out. They were very affordable, so we're gonna see how they worked. I've had them in for, I wanna say, about 2 weeks. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wanted to test it out first before I make a video on it, because if they was trash, I don't know. Like, y'all was gonna have to see the fail, because that is what it is. But literally got these clip-ins off of Amazon. They actually are not bad. Very low maintenance. And yeah, I'm gonna just show you how I washed them, put them in. I'm gonna show you the before and the after, and we're gonna get into the video. Let's get it.
So these are the clip-ins. I actually got them from Amazon. They're 18 inches. They did not come dyed. I dyed them myself just to kind of match my hair color. Now, first what I did was I washed them because, again, I dyed them yesterday. And when I first got them, they had kind of like they've been in the warehouse for a while, I guess, type of odor, because COVID. So whatever, they didn't stink, but just not how my conditioner and shampoo smells. So I wanted to kind of match my hair, actually, like cleanliness wise. So I wound up cleaning the clip-ins and just detangling it all just to make sure that it was good. But to each his own. You don't have to do the whole cleaning process like I did. So then next what I'm going to do is I'm literally just parting my hair. I kind of parted the front already to get my leave out that I want to leave out to blend in with the clip-ins to the side. So now I'm just doing a messy twist underneath, and I just moisturize my hair and kind of do my under protective style treatment. And I usually just do like a moisturizer, maybe an oil or something, just to keep my hair hydrated underneath the twist if I'm about to put on a wig or something like that for protective style. And this process honestly did not take me too long. It took me probably about 15 minutes to just braid my whole head, apply the product. And that's really it. It wasn't too much. So when it comes to doing clip-ins, your twists do not have to be perfect because you're not going to be able to see the twist. You just need to have enough twist to where your clip-ins have somewhere to clip. And that's really it. Quick tip, when you're deciding how much to leave out, you want to make sure that it's a good amount that allows you to kind of be versatile with the style. Like if I want to put it in a ponytail, because I work out a lot, so just being able to do that, or go from up to down, or even a high ponytail, low, anything like that. Or if you want to do middle parts and then do 2 ponytails. So whenever you do it, just make sure that you're leaving enough out to do that with the style that you want to do.
Hey y'all, so I put the product in my hair and in the clip-ins. This is what it looks like. I'm about to go let it dry, And yeah, I'm probably gonna clip a little bit so it can have some type of layers. So when it does dry, it blends in layer wise a lot more. But I'll be back. Yeah. Yo, I got clip-ins from Amazon and look at the, oh, they look good the